And most people like to, like I said, market their products or services. They don't market the problem. And when you market, like for me, hiring help is hard. Well, that sounds the same. Like everyone else does that. But if I market, your business is missing an entire department, now all of a sudden I've created a category. And so what we want to try and do is work with these from 9:30 in the morning to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. It's going to be a small room, maybe 30 to 60 people. And we're actually going to go around and help them have them create their own provocative points of view. Maybe we reward the best provocative point of view. And we'll teach them how to name their category, how to frame it, and how to claim it. And we'll teach them about lightning strikes, or as my friend Damp says, rolling thunder. How do we get that message out? What it is that we do and how we've leveraged category design in that way. So I really hope that people will come out to it. You don't have to be a veteran to attend. Maybe you support veterans, but it has to be real forward level creators, whatever you want to do. So yeah, pretty exciting times. And that's April 26th.